till we try to analyze the market, because we have when we we always remember past, but this is the major difference in this market. When you're showing the past, that's affect your future. That's the reason. I'm already analyzed the whole market to see it. You looking for this is very big time frame right now, and this is the more important level. Look, I will share something. When the big time frame you see this level, there is coming, they break this level and goes up, right? But right now market is there, right? So what should be the last chance? You think it? Then market take a long rally, this to this. There's major difference on this market. The market comes back almost to this point, almost, then goes up, then goes up and goes down. That's not effect in this market. This is my major concern. Now we focus it right now. This is the overall view, and we are trading on the market structure that the small reason we can speak. Okay. Now let's come out. We have a direction. Yeah. Now we are ready to sell. Then just come 15 minutes. Look. What should be you look? There is the zone I call support, right? I'm wrong, I'm right, right. I did not. This is support. I have idea, market goes down. And what's the next chance? Market is full, almost there. There is the most probably part. The market is come this point and fallen, right? Then we have some points. But what should we do? We have a two options. First, we take trade there, right? Or my stop loss is almost this point, and I take trade there. Yeah. And the second option is this. I enter the trade there, take a stop loss. This level, I think 34, half of that is candle, because very low chances the market is fall down. And I'm wrong. See, right. Now look, we plan the trade. Okay. First, I take that trade in live 1733. 1733. It's the stop loss. Sell all market 1733. What is my target? It's fixed 1690, and already my target is fixed. So back testing means you already know about something. Okay, this is perfect. 64 20. Right. Now let's check these. 1726. 1726 market sale. Stop loss is same 1733. Target is, I think, less. And then look at the matter. Mm, then we have a no limit to buy and sell. You can continue buying big amount. I already said that. You continue buying. But this time I am already taking 1:3 trade. That's the reason I'm always ready to take good trades. Okay. I think there is something wrong. Okay. This level. Hey, I looking to market this level. My stop loss is almost there. Okay. Let's check it. What's going on? We have an analytics Somebody say that this is wrong and right. It's already Monday. Good. Mm, and market is gold and down. This is very perfect chance. Okay. Fuck it. You already forgot that. I mean, this is okay. No, this is fixed. Single candle fall down. It's already London session. No, around 4:30 in the morning. I take the train in the morning, early morning. I said that early morning. London session is perfect. Everybody knows, but we have no time to set everything in the according our plan. We just wait and watch. It should we go now? In previous week, you see that I the candle is running. Previous day, the market is almost sideways. The candle is up and down. There is 100% chance when the market is created this type of structure. 100% chances market is going down. When there is coming some news and some kind of political issues, they impact the market. Okay, this is called AQ. Sorry, uh, I don't know. There is some point. I think yes. Fuck it. Now my stop loss is gone. How much? Hmm, we almost forget something to do. What is the timing? Timing is perfect. It's around 6:30. London session is continue. You look what's going on. The market is sideways, a composition and fall. This is good. Target is complete. Look, this is the perfect way to take a trade. When I am trying backtesting, this is perfect way. Yeah, I understand it. I'm just follow this trade. Okay. Now my target is completed. Now what should do? What is the our next movement? Just remove all the lines. These. Just remove it. Why? You said that this is our analytics. No. Every day to you come, you look and analyze the market, right? Okay. Now just stop it and continue. We are coming to 1 hour. Check some big time frames. You said that why are you coming so far? Because the market is almost sideways. You look, there is looking. They create the you think it. I'm analyze around 5 1 minute earlier. 1 minute just started. That's the reason I have already know the market is a sideways. Market is the downtrend. Okay, but when you come tomorrow and I think it's take yesterday. What should we do? We are just waiting, coming and seeing, wow, market is sideways. Now let's go. No, this is not a perfect way. Okay, so we analyze again. Oh, look, this is the good. This called the first touch, second touch, and third touch. Right now, the market is ready to fall according to 1 hour. I'm not saying to for this, but according to 1 hour. Okay. Now we are already ready to sell again. This level is not weak. You check it. This is very good resistance. And you already know the market is going to fall. It's assumption, not a confirmation. We just wait some time, create the structure, create the market structure. If you already know about these things, you have a opportunity to go. Right now we have a how where is selling and buying. You think it this level is good? Now let's take small fragment 40. It's almost low chance the market is take this target 1739 too long. I think this is too long. No, I'm not taking trade because we already know when market is not taking this target, that is not perfect for a well. Hmm, this is good. We already complete this. This is good. Good, good. Okay. Now let's. It's our chance. This is the our support level. There is very high chance the market is break down the market, but we have a low confirmation. Then I pick a trade there 1752. This is my stop loss. We're already ready to sell 1752. Okay. Target is simple 1720. We check it. Fuck it. This is bad trade. This is a bad trade. I already said that this is a bad trade. Why? When you try to break these things, your expectation, this is very bad trade. This is my experience. I already know if I take a long trade, they cannot happen. This is only miracle and some kind of news coming, then market is fall right now. It's already 20 June and in the morning we know this is wrong. But I already trade the live market. We already enter the live market. When I order submit in pending order, I cut down this trade. This is good or not bad. I have no idea. But right now, we have one thing. This Tuesday, and we trail the stop loss. It's our previous rule. You said that. I recorded the previous video around 22, 23. I uploaded. There is one thing is I am preferred. What is this? Key I not take the big trade. When there is the one viewpoint. I said that why I am calling this trade is very low because I did trade this. My target is almost 4039. There. Look, look. This is possible when market is the gap up and gap down. They create a stop loss, target the target. But this point, this is almost nothing to do. But there is the one possibility they come again. But no, this is not coming again. They fall. How much confidence you have? You say that they fall, they fall. Just for one thing, practice. How much chance the market is falling right now? 70 to 80%? Yeah. But almost 20% is going back. Look, see that. Zero. Profit is gone. Almost gone. Stop loss is hit. When our target is there, you see this, you are not wrong or right. You just take a good trade. This is my theory. Market is gone and somebody come and buy. This is not our theory. Our theory is we take the one trade only one day. This take my target and stop loss. I am happy. I am happy to agree with this because we have a more chances. When you have a money, you cannot disturb anybody. Okay, I think we take moderate. What should we do? Somebody tell me. No. Okay, we are ready to take again analytics. We cut down this trade. This is good. We have not a regret right now. My trade is wrong there. Or I think I take a second trade there. There. Yeah, good selling point. I already marked this is trading bad. We already take a trade there. The market is very powerful. Okay, very good. This is good. Okay, now what's is my theory? Oh, I think I cut down their trade. It's almost 21 June. Yeah. We see this level, this starting this 19, 20, 21. Okay. I think my second video is already uploaded. Check it, bro. You can go and check it. Now let's okay. Goodbye.